do anything with that lock. I'm gonna make it so that this key operates that lock and these keys no longer work. I'm gonna take this smart key, I'm gonna put it right in this little spot here. Now when I pull this out, this key now operates this lock. Hey guys, welcome on site. We just installed this new Weiser Premis lock. And one of the first things you'll notice is that yes, it is a smart lock. So you'll see it lights up, does a whole bunch of fancy things. But one of the coolest things about this lock is it has a rekeying ability. So if you've had contractors working in your job site and your house and you want to kick them out and then you want to put some new keys in your door so they no longer have any access to your house, we have a way to do that. These are the keys that operate the lock of this door. Let me show you. I lock it, unlock it. If I open it up, I can lock it, unlock it, unlock it, right? Just like your average key. But what if you want that key no longer to work and you want to say, turn it into this key, for instance. And I'll show you now that this key does not do anything with that lock. So I'm going to make it so that this key operates that lock and these keys no longer work. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the original Weiser key into this lock, right? The ones that work. I'm going to turn it to the side like this. And then I'm going to take this smart key that it comes with, smart key, and I'm going to slip it right in this little spot here. And I'm going to press as firmly as I can. And I'm going to let go. I'm going to take this key out carefully without spinning it. Then I'm going to go back to my pocket. I'm going to pick up this key again, the one with the Blue Jays logo on it. I'm going to put that one in, off to the side. And all I'm going to do is turn it all the way 180 degrees to the left. Now when I pull this out, this key now operates this lock. Watch. I can lock it, I can unlock it. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. And I'm using that key there, not using the other one. So watch, I'll put this back. Now watch. Now I'll take this one out and I'll show you that the original Weiser key no longer works. That's as hard as I can twist. I'd like to see you try. But how about I go through the motions again and I'll set it back to the Weiser key and you can see exactly how it's done again. So I'll take this one out. I'll put my Blue Jay key that's now working. I'll put it back in the door, twist it off to the side. Now I take my smart key again, slip that in there, all the way. Pull the Blue Jay key out, slip in my Weiser key, spin it all the way across, pull back to the middle, pull that sucker out. Now, my Weiser key operates the lock. And you guessed it, is my Blue Jay key gonna operate this lock or not? No. No can do. Sir, why don't you go ahead and see if you can give that a twist. Sir, you're never gonna get that twisted. Out comes the key, in comes the Weiser. Dan and the boys at Refresh are done. You're not gonna get any wiser than that, or at least that's the premise. Stick around, we'll show you a few things. But what do I... Now when I pull that out, now when I pull that out, the magic. Now when I pull that out, the magic. Scheiße.